Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. I am your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Akron-Summit County Library. In this episode, I'm going to talk about charts. The charts allow you to illustrate your workbook data graphically, which makes it easier to understand or visualize comparison and trends. For example, in this plain spreadsheet, I have listed the expenditure for the different genre for different years. You can tell the year goes up, some of the expenses goes up, some of them may be going down. So if you wanted to visualize that trend, it might be better off for you to see in chart. So Excel has several different types of charts, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your data. So how do you find which chart is the most effective one for your situation? If you click under the Insert tab, in the charts group, you have all of these individual charts. If you lay your mouse on it, it explains to you. For example, I'm laying my mouse on the column or bar chart. It says, use this chart type to visually compare values across a few categories. It says a few categories. It could be even a single one. It could be even a few. Not too many though. The next one, use this chart type to show trends over time for line charts, such as if you wanted to find out whether your grocery budget is going down or up for the many years, and also if you wanted to compare that with the grocery chart as opposed to the mortgage, payment. Those are the good thing to use the line chart. The next one, insert pie or donut chart. Use this type of chart to show proportions of a whole. Use this when the total of your number is 100. Again, you can use this for the household budget. In the household budget, it's entirely 100%. In there, maybe 40% going on a grocery, another 40% going on the rent or mortgage, another 5% going on the entertainment, so on and so forth. So depending on your situations, you might have to pick and choose coming from this chart. So in my next episode, I'm going to talk about how to pick and choose a column chart. Another explanation, much better off explaining than this Excel spreadsheet, is from a website. I'm going to share that with you. Called share. Dummies.com. It's all about Microsoft Office, and somebody explained to you about individual examples that can be used across all of these 10 charts. Okay, the line chart is one of the most frequently used chart type, typically used to show trends over a period of time. If you need to chart changes over time, consider using the line chart. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put it back on my thing in here, so that you guys will be able to see it when you come and take a look at this uh, episode later on. Okay, that's all for this introduction, and I'm going to draw the column chart or another chart in my next episode. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.